Screening for a virus linked to cervical cancer could cut the risk of women getting the disease by up to 70%, a study has found. Trials showed that testing for the human papillomavirus, present in 99% of cervical cancer cases, was better protection than the conventional smear test. The results, published in The Lancet, were hailed as incredibly exciting by Professor Julieta Patnick, Director of NHS Cancer Screening Programs. She said, "The relationship between HPV and cervical cancer has long been established, with the virus being found in over 99% of cervical cancer cases." The new study suggests that by using HPV for primary screening we could protect 60 to 70% more women from cervical cancer than the current method. She is recommending women over 30 are tested for HPV every 5 years. European cancer experts published the findings from 4 trials on women aged between 20 to 64 in the Lancet Medical Journal. They followed 175,000 women over 6.5 years in England, Italy, the Netherlands and Sweden. Some took regular smear tests and while others were given the test for HPV, which can trigger cervical cancer. Cancer rates were similar for both groups during the first 2.5 years, but after that fewer were detected in women who had undergone the HPV screening. Professor Patnick said the NHS Cancer Screening Programme is now recommending HPV screening every 5 years for those aged 30 and over. Women discovered to have the virus would be selected for a follow-up conventional smear test and referred for cervical examination. Dr. Guglielmo Ronco, from the Center for Cancer Epidemiology and Prevention, in Turin, Italy, said, "Until now, there have been no direct estimates of the relative efficacy of HPV-based versus cell-based screening for prevention of invasive cancer in women who undergo regular screening. Our analysis shows that HPV-based screening appears to prevent more invasive cervical cancers than does cell screening.